LG Soundbar is going beyond just great sound by exploring new ways to help nature. We've taken an eco-minded approach, using recycled plastic for the internal parts of our products. We're also using plastic bottles to make the jersey fabric that wraps the exterior of our soundbars. From now on, we won't use styrofoam or plastic bags to pack our products. We're using recycled pulp for the interior box and packaging. We've also found a way to reduce the size of the soundbar box with a clever new L shape that reduces box volume. This lets us ship more boxes at once and reduces carbon dioxide emissions. This is beyond just great sound. This is thinking bigger to help the planet.